Here it is, guys. Jamaican lime. That's the juice. Juice dropping up. Man, I waste a good food, man. Jamaican family, how you do? Oh, fantastic. Today I'm heading into the deep hills of Hanover, a place called Chester Castle. I'm going to be meeting up with a gentleman called Reggie. Reggie is perhaps one of the few Jamaicans, a few farmers right now who still has some lime. You know lime, that tangy, sour, sharp little fruit? Yes, I'm going to meeting up with him because we're going to talk about it. You're going to realize that lime it's not just used for seasoning, or in many of us case, certainly mine, for the wash or the beverage that we use it to make and drink or the drink. No, it's way more nutritious than that. It's a powerhouse of nutrition. We're going to learn about that, and you're going to realize that lime should probably be one of the staples in your household. Stay tuned. Well, listen, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I'm going to invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica. Stuff like these, medicinal herbs, unusual fruits, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So join me on the journey, man. Don't be like the rest who just watch and go. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Chester Castle, deep Hanover, and see Jamaican lime. Alright guys, and this is the man. Sorry Reggie, turn around, man, many people don't see, man. This is the man, the good man, Reggie, man. He have the lime here. Yeah. What is your place and name again?
Chester Castle.
No, you have a community. So this is Chester Castle in general, but you have a community name. What I look about in it? Top Hill, you say?
Red Hills.
Red Hills?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, you see this?
Some people call land top, you know.
Land top. You know what it is?
Where?
Ramgoat Dashalang, you know. Ramgoat National or Ramgoat Dashalang or Damiana.
Eh?
A powerhouse, you see, man.
That's a shop, me still shop, you know.
No, man, them say this is a good for like stamina for a man to drink this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A bad bush this.
Alright, same thing.
Yeah, I tell her. Guys, yeah, this you know what this, right?
I get gully bean that.
Gully bean, yeah.
Pimento that.
Pimento the sauce.
Pimento chili.
Pimento chili.
Oh, big chili.
Yeah, breadfruit. Guys, we're not gonna pass all of these stuff and highlight. See the pussy, you know? The first lane,
Alright.
First lane again. Growing wild here.
Yeah.
Man, and the money look big.
Yeah, then they about the place.
Yeah, I have dandelion, guys, dandelion.
Some don't really know what.
Jamaican dandelion, eh?
The bush them don't know really what them.
Yes, man.
Know some of them.
Yeah, a lot of them, man. A lot of them. I don't pass them. Papaya, guys.
You wear the water grass all the panels.
Yeah.
But listen, no, the lime tree. One lime tree, so. Lime tree up there.
Okay, alright. So which one of them will go?
We go with that one.
Alright, guys. While I'm going with Uncle Reggie, you know, I don't pass this stuff and I'm telling no, and show no. You know that it's a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Shepherd purse again.
Pumpkin there, you know.
Pumpkin there.
Make sure say pumpkin there.
Papaya.
Make sure say pumpkin.
Pumpkin the boat there. Yeah, man. So one. I want that.
No, pumpkin. No. You're right, man. Pumpkin there, right there, man.
Yeah. But the corn there, corn.
Yeah, man, corn in there.
Corn. So send a fit corn over there, so.
Yeah. Pumpkin there. Then we must see it again.
Man, somebody pick him, man.
No, man, nobody can go pick. The problem is
but all right. While I look for the pumpkin, let me show you something because you see this here now.
All right, see that.
There. Oh, nice one.
Yeah. I'm
nice and big.
I'm more big one.
Big one down there.
Yeah.
Nice. I like your fat. You know what this is? Is that something?
Wait, tell you again now.
This is a boss. This is a name John Charles.
John Charles, alright. You know that one the person. He did enough, you know. He chop some of them like you can't manage.
Jesus. You hear that, guys? The man saying I chop down some of them. Yeah. And look how you know one bush and line.
Alright, let me show you. Let me show you.
Yeah. For real, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have reached the lime now.
Yeah, the lime.
Almost.
See almost lime tree go up here. A lime tree must see.
Lime come on. Nice. Good to see that. Me happy to see this.
Yeah.
Happy to see that. Yeah, man. I see how you can plant as much because, as we say,
see my spray place that they go long also. So we got them work to do. But they buy 2 files a day and I can't find the file.
Yeah.
So I couldn't do that, so I don't do work for morning.
Okay.
So they spray down there.
Yeah, go on. But give thanks. See the lime tree, guys. Lime, finally. Nice lime tree. Oh, you just spray it?
No, I pull the piece off.
So what how's them something on it?
Eh?
Them thing there, what them thing there?
You put maybe the chudi on the tree.
Okay. Here it is, guys. Jamaican lime.
Lime. All right.
Yeah, man. Courtesy of Uncle Reggie.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
we're going to talk about it, Uncle Reggie.
All right.
Good look walk. We come over here. We say the mountain top.
Land top.
Land top.
Land top.
Land top. See another nice look one a bunch of.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna show you why
Land top, man.
lime is not just for you clean up your fish and your Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
Or for the beverage.
Yeah, man.
But it's good for boost immune system and cleanse the body.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I love lime, man. I love how we got lime.
So let me ask you guys online. Let me have the people online in Encourage.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. How you use, before we even start, I'm going to ask you how you use lime. How, other than cooking, maybe for cold, maybe for sore throat, wash your hair. Tell me, drop a comment and tell me how you use lime. We're going to talk about it a little more. We're going to talk about it a little more, but I want to hear from you. You know me like engage with me, like to hear from you guys. All right. Uncle Reggie, over to you, sir. How long you growing lime, you know? How long you have them lime tree?
Lime tree, about some 4 or 5 years.
5 years? Yeah. And are you planted or you just kind of do?
Yeah, you see now, it been there for a long time from my grandparents' time. So
Grandparents. And it's still there?
It's still there, yeah. See, I'll I get rid of the duckans.
The duckans.
Duckans.
Who remember the duckans? The duckans nest.
Yeah, I'll get rid of it, man. It's in that.
And you take over your lime tree? No, man, you can't make him take over the lime tree. No, duckans, we now work with that, you know, duckans.
No, I mean, I work with that one. I work with that one.
Now work with that. Yeah, man, so the lime there again, guys, during the... So you talk about your grandparents and your parents, your brother.
Yeah.
How they use the lime, you remember? As far as you know.
Them tell you what they're doing. They mix sugar and water.
Sugar
and water, and squeeze lime in it.
Yeah.
Them doing the thing there. And then do other thing like say, little belly hot or you get truly salt or something funny and suck fish little belly hot or then thing there.
You put the salt on the lime,
Yeah.
belly hot.
Yeah.
So mainly the drink sugar water and for the belly hot.
Yeah. Sort of more things.
Eh?
And some people use the beer with, you know.
Yes, right, man. What's a season to you know?
Yeah. You have to use the beer. Yeah.
But from your perspective, from your grandmother, that's mainly you.
Yeah.
And can I tell you that's mainly how my grandparents grow with it?
Yeah.
Yes, man, mainly.
Yeah, lime.
Yeah,
lime.
and the wet sugar.
Yeah.
Remember the wet sugar?
Yeah, you know.
I don't know about them something.
No, me know directly. One lady to sell it, but me not really directly say.
Use it with it.
Use it.
A bastard, you know. If you use that with the lime, you know.
But me use the molasses and the lime. Molasses and lime. Squeeze the molasses and lime. Squeeze the lime and molasses and drink it. Mix it like a sugar and water.
Yes. Yeah. And it's healthy, you know.
Yeah, healthy man. Yeah. But if you got hypertension, you can't do sugar and you can't do follow up. No,
we don't follow up. We're not doing a sugar business. But lime by itself, just the lime water alone. In fact, the lime water, just the lime with the water is another story.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, lime.
Yeah, man. In fact, they say it's a powerful detox.
Yeah.
Cleanser.
Yeah.
In the morning, if you have that for several mornings, just warm water with lime.
Yeah, man.
You feel a different body in a few days.
Yeah.
All right. So we talk about. So this is the tree again, guys. Let me just show you. You have some duckans. This one have duckans nest. We can see if we find another one. But this is a good representation. This one kind of lie down on the ground.
Yeah.
Right. I guess
our next nest.
You have to go clean up, man.
Yeah, man. I have to get it.
It's over. Get too big. That's why it drop on the ground.
Yeah, man. So get the hurt get soft and when you lime beer and carry down the.
Oh, the weight.
Yeah, carry down the tree.
All right.
No stone or there now. Just be hurt.
All right, so I'm going to show you the lime tree, guys. Some people might not know it. Again, so this again, guys, a lime tree lying down here, unadulterated. We didn't dress it up just for the feature. We come at source and show you exactly how it is in the field, right? And this is a lime. This is a lime leaf, which again itself is another story.
It's a lime.
Yeah, man. And these are the limes. All right, you have a knife, Uncle Reggie? You have a knife, all right.
Yeah.
So this is a lime. This one is about 1.5 inches, right?
Yeah.
Eh? Roughly?
Yeah, but
all right, so it's about 1.5 inches.
It's small, very small.
Small, relatively small, right?
Yeah. You have some big one here. Yeah, some big ones.
Yeah, man. All right, so that's fine, man. We work with this one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut it. I'll show something. I don't know. You know, there are people who No, hear about lime, but even don't know the. Take your time. That's the juice. Juice dropping up. Man, I waste a good food, man. Oh, me have a water bucket. I should have bring my water bucket. Squeeze in, man. Oh, hold on. Me have it in my bag, man. Hold on, man. Hold on. 1 second, guys. 1 second. There. Let me grab my bottle and squeeze it in my water bucket. Hold on.
and drink lime.
All right, Uncle Reggie. So here, see my water bucket here. See my water bucket here, guys. I get my water.
Yeah.
And you go put. So usually, and by the way, usually they say one lime, one average lime can suffice for a liter of water.
Yeah.
But for this, for my purpose today, I put about 3 lime in there, Uncle Reggie.
All right.
Or more, you know. I get greedy today upon the lime. Yeah. Squeeze it, man. And the seed, by the way, the seeds in there, so you know you're getting 100% organic. I hear they have lime now without seed, you know. I don't know
man, they got seed that time too.
Yeah, but that's not good, you know. That means they make it in a lab, you know.
I got the cheap plant, but
no, man, I make that.
I got cheap plant. I'm grafting that, you know.
Yeah, man, they make it in one that Reggie. Guys, if you agree with me, give me a like right now. Them new plants I make in a lab.
Yeah.
Can't beat the original, you know. Can't beat the original.
No, can't.
You can't squeeze it, rub everything in it, man. Rub off it. Yes, man, it's in there, yeah. All right. All right. Put one more in there, man. Put one more, Reggie.
Yeah.
We'll find another one. So, we'll find a nice big one.
Let me find a nice big one.
Find one? Okay, good. Yeah, man. Yeah. This is a nice one. Hold on, let me take a picture of this one.
All right. It's me to say this one. I know size to them when they be here.
Yes, man. Hold on, let me take a picture.
I know size to them.
Hold on, let me take a picture of that. Hold it close to you. All right, so. All right, so. Yeah. So this one. All right, the buster one I know. So this is a nice, good one.
Yeah, man. This
about 1.5 inches, 2 inch.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, man. All right, guys. Now throw it in my buckle.
I see the one that hard to keep money. The other one them do.
Oh, that means it's never quite ready yet then.
Yeah, all right. Let me show you something ready.
That means it's going to get bigger.
Yeah, man. The big man that's me tell you say. When people see them, people say, man, how feel like a big show?
That blessing, I run down there.
Yeah, you run, man. You go right to the bottom.
Right to the bottom, yeah, man. All right, nice. Scrape everything in there, man. Yeah, man, we're not now waste, not that showing.
These are the best things you got belly.
Yes, man. This is alkaline water right now.
Yeah.
Alkaline water right now, guys. Right. By the way, lime. In fact, let me talk about the health benefits. I'm gonna share some health benefits with my viewers right now, Uncle Reggie.
Yeah.
So you mentioned a little bit what you say it's good for, right?
Yeah.
You mentioned that it's good for belly heart.
Belly heart.
Tradition.
Like you got some
pressure. Yeah.
Cool on the system, high pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Calming.
Calm.
In fact, there's a research that was done in America that said that the similar the lime leaf or the lime itself have calming properties, you know.
Yeah.
So people put it in their room, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
People buy all the juice and go buy the juice at supermarket still, you know. Yes, you get the juice at supermarket, but no people don't want that.
No, me don't want that.
Natural.
I buy it, but that's when I can't get the original. I'm going to get the real lime, you know.
Yeah.
Can't get the real lime. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna share with you. Big up, brother. Big up, Uncle Reggie for me. We're going to drink some other water here before me. Actually, hold the thing for me, Uncle Reggie.
So bad.
The man just eat the lime by itself. But it's good for you.
Yeah, man, good.
All right, I'm not going to eat it like you, but we're going to drink the water. We're going to drink the lime water. Yeah. All right, guys, more water here. We just turn this water into alkaline water, courtesy of the lime. How much you put in there? 2 or 3? Two. One big nice one on this side. I'm going to drink up my water now.
Yeah.
Good for today. Very refreshing.
Yeah, man.
I tell you something, and I know somebody online will agree with me.
Yeah.
You see, there are few things more refreshing than what me and you call babies, you know.
What?
The lime, you know. The lime, you know.
Yeah, the lime.
Back in the days, we use lime with the sugar and the ice, you know.
Ice, yeah, man.
When you go a bush, you know.
I coolest thing that, man.
I have that, you know.
Cool and ice, feel, man, you know.
It's a different kind of refreshment. That, you know, don't you? Guys, who agree with me? Put it in the comment right now. Give me a like and tell me if you agree with me.
You drink and drop asleep too?
You get too relaxed.
Yeah, too relaxed. Yeah.
Or maybe the sugar, the glucose.
Yeah,
Probably,
man. Yeah.
but we know that
Yeah.
the lime, a boss. I'm gonna share some health benefits with you right now, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking, we're getting a little overexcited here, but we share some of the things with you, the health benefits and traditional uses and health benefits. Number one, lime. This lime here, we're proud of it. We're proud of the Jamaican lime.
Yeah.
We're proud of the lime.
Yeah,
We're proud of people like Mr. Reggie who still cultivate the thing.
Yeah.
We have a couple of other trees on the place, and I say he's probably one. You're probably one of the few people right now in Jamaica who still have some lime. It's short, but man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks for you.
Yeah.
All right. So number one, lime is loaded with vitamin C, which helps to fight cold and flu. That's what you said earlier, Dr. Reggie. Right? Also, it's great for digestion. So many people drink lime water first thing in the morning, as we mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Right? That's a quick highlight.
Yeah.
There's another video. There's a link I'm gonna put. There's a link in the description I'm gonna share with you guys to talk more about the health benefits of lime. We're just scratching the surface now.
Yeah.
We're just sharing the highlights with you.
Yeah.
It's a powerhouse of goodness. So it's loaded with vitamin C. Oh, you have another one there?
Yeah,
loaded with vitamin C to help fight cold and flu.
Yeah.
It's great for digestion. Yeah, man, you can pick some more if you can.
Yeah.
Great for digestion. So we say we drink it in the morning as well for digestion and cleansing.
Yeah.
It's a natural detoxifier. We mentioned that.
Yeah, man.
Liver cleansing.
Yeah.
It uses soothe sore throat.
Yeah.
I use that.
Yeah, good for that.
That's what we traditionally use it for a lot for that.
Yeah.
And we mix it with, sir?
Yeah.
Normally, if it's sore throat.
Sore throat, some people directly, you don't use the lime alone and throw it and gargle the throat. And you clear off the...
All right.
Yeah.
Some people use honey.
Clear off the cold.
Some people use honey.
Yeah, some people use honey and some
the
use...
cold, the cough.
Some use salt with it too.
And salt.
Yeah.
So the honey or the salt.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's antibacterial and antifungal. They say you use it to clean cuts and wounds, right?
Yeah.
The antibacterial properties in it help with that.
And it's good for ringworm.
Ringworm.
Yeah.
Antifungal.
With some salt.
Yes, yeah. And it has an alkalizing effect, we call it.
Okay.
As I showed you a while ago, I pour it in my water and drink because it helps to balance.
Yeah.
It helps to balance what they call the pH.
Yeah.
So I learned something, Uncle Reggie. I don't know if you probably wouldn't know. I don't know how much you know, but lime is acidic outside of the body. But when you take it inside, you get alkaline, meaning it helps. It helps
cure inside the
yes, because the body needs what they call an alkaline environment to function properly.
Okay.
And lime do that.
Okay.
So it's a man. Some people some people drink expensive detox tea, but we just squeeze lime in the water and warm water.
Yeah, lime are the boss, man.
Yeah, man. And guys, instead of buying expensive vitamin C, if you can find the lime, as we did here, you can find the lime. You use it. It's a powerful vitamin C supplement.
Yeah.
You smell it. You smell it a while ago, don't you?
Yeah.
And
lemon. You can smell lemon.
We talk about a little bit about that already.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we taste it already. How you say it?
Sour, man. Sour.
Not good. Nice.
Not nice.
Yeah. I don't know if you look forward to.
But you have to give it cure.
Yes. Cool.
Yeah.
I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear from you. See, we have it here. Another little fresh little one here.
Yeah.
I want to hear from you guys online right now. What's the most unusual, probably should I say creative way you use lime? I want to hear from you. We are learning from each other, so share with me now. What's the most creative or unusual way you use lime? Use it for skincare? People use it in skincare as I mentioned earlier. You remember, right? Yeah. So like you say, you rub it and...
Yeah, like ringworm and you turn salt and rub it.
Yes.
And they get burning and kill the worm.
Yeah. So I want to hear from you, my viewers. I want to hear from you how you say you use this bad boy. Yeah. All right. Tell me in the comments.
Yes.
To the bush there, a good bush too.
Yes, people talk cold bush.
Yeah, man. People use it.
Yeah.
So the lime tree here, guys. Lime.
Yeah.
More lime here. You have a pepper tree here too.
Pepper?
Yeah,
bird pepper or something like that.
Yeah, man, bird pepper. See here, the lime here.
Yeah.
More lime here. Natural, right off the tree.
Yeah.
Well, not off, but on the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the boss was telling me, guys, that Let's put them two here.
Yeah. Young.
All right.
Yeah.
So Uncle Reggie said this week, no lime this week. You're not selling on this week.
No, so no.
So get a break.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, clean
Okay.
up yourself. Why
Yeah.
man, do it then.
Yeah. I put on my gloves and come here for me. Yeah.
Come clean up.
Yeah, I can't manage Maca.
Okay, no, you can't manage
Maca
it.
night, man. You can't manage it.
Yeah.
Maca kill me night.
yeah.
Don't clean up, man. And they can get up over here. Like it's a long tool.
Yeah.
If I land behind the dirt and under some now, sit until when they ripe.
Yes,
When
yeah.
they ripe.
Oh, and the drop on
Yeah.
Now where's the other tree?
One tree other.
Oh, this one now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they have down there.
Okay, see another one here. So this is another tree, guys.
Yeah.
Another tree here with some younger ones. It's a baby tree.
Yeah.
But Uncle Reggie promised me that he went plant some more yam, more lime tree, you know, because this thing a hot bread right now.
Yeah.
And when he bring it to the market, one person buy everything, you know.
Yeah.
That person know themselves.
Yeah.
Yes. But we want big up Mr. Reggie.
Yeah.
Uncle Reggie, if you're keeping the thing going, right? And despite the fact that it's scarce, it's rare now.
Yeah.
You're still able to, you know, to nurture,
Yeah.
to cultivate and keep the thing going on his side here.
Yeah.
You know, so we big him up with the lime because we can't do it. This is history.
Yeah.
This is heritage, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is culture. Yeah, man, it's a lime.
Yeah.
So I said to you guys, there's a link in the description. I want you to read more about lime, the scientific side of it, more health benefits and all of that stuff. I want you to check the description. And the man have whole heap of little things of benefit of interest here, guys. A lot of bananas, you know, and planting, you know, man.
Yeah.
See them there? Banana planting, breadfruit, coconut. Yeah. Nice property. And they say, even and this is a bird pepper. Come up. Oh, but this one big, man.
Yeah.
Hold on. Look a ripe one here.
Yeah, all right. Let's see some bird pepper.
Find one ripe one. One ripe one.
See some, you know, see some of them, some green on.
Yeah, but this is round.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bird pepper this.
Yeah, man, they're round, some are round and.
Round and.
They come like cayenne, some come like cayenne.
Yeah, like cayenne. And it's bird pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, this hot man, you sure bird pepper? Oh, these no more look more traditional.
Yeah.
Bird pepper to me. You see, this one round.
I mean, got some cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
She up there.
Yeah, man, this bad too, you know. Good for circulation, you know.
Yeah, man, solid. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, big up the man.
Yeah.
Big up the man, Sir Reggie. Sir Reggie. Give a thumbs up, Sir Reggie.
Yeah. Yeah, man, give up, yeah.
Yeah, man, big up Sir Reggie, man. I do wonders in the hills.
Yeah.
I'll try to keep the thing going, keep the heritage going, keep the culture going.
Yeah.
With them lime here.
Yeah.
Powerful detox, powerful cleanser. Another powerhouse, immunity booster.
Yeah.
You know, everything good about this thing here.
Yeah, man, that's
Another fresh bunch here coming up. This one will be ready in a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks.
yeah.
2 weeks or so.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah.
All right, my boss. So the lime man, Uncle Reggie. If anybody, Sir Reggie, want to reach out to you for lime. I know it's hot bread now, you know. I know it's hot bread now, so it's limited.
Limited.
But if anybody want to reach out to you for any lime of the limited amount that you have, or any of the other, you know, produce that you have, because you have a lot of stuff here. Some it's seasonal, so it's based on whatever is in season, right?
Yeah.
You're a farmer, so whatever you have in the ground at the time, banana, plantain, pumpkin, breadfruit, whatever you have.
Yeah.
Of course, the lime. If they want to reach out to you, or maybe just for maybe a show or anything, how can they get in touch with you? You have a phone number?
Yeah.
What's the number?
349 73 88.
876-349-7388.
Yeah.
All right.
83.
The lime man, Sir Reggie. Big him up as him go, guy.
349 349 73 88. That you have?
349
Yeah.
7388.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyway, the correct number is in the description. So check the description, guys, just in case.
Yeah.
The description has the best number. All right.
Okay.
If we change the number, we're going to put it in the description.
Okay.
So check the description for Uncle Reggie number.
Yeah.
All right. Big him up as him go. Give him a thumbs up, man. Yeah. One more thing, guys. I must say this. I want to hear from you. If you have any questions, please, about lime, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond to it. But there's one thing I've figured somebody's gonna ask, and it is this: is lime and lemon the same thing?
No, two different things there.
Two different things.
Yeah, two different
All right,
things.
the boss answer around this. It is two different things. They're from the same family, obviously, but it's two different things. Lemon actually has a little bit more vitamin C, they say, than lime. But lime has a whole lot still.
Whole lot.
But lime has more minerals, more vitamins generally, and minerals than lemon. So lime is more complete than lemon. Even though they are two bars fruits, you know that?
Yeah,
two bars fruits. So we pick up the lime again, lime again.
Lime are the
boss.
Lime are the boss, man.
Lime are the boss.
Yeah.
Lime are the boss.
Anyway, I go to lime are the boss.
Lime are the boss. So that's it, guys. Uncle Reggie and the lime man. The good old Jamaican lime man. I want to hear from you. What do you think? What you learned? Did you learn anything new? Come on, drop it in the comment. And I'll ask you again, if you use lime for anything unusual, I want to hear. So much. But remember to check the description for more detailed information on the lime. If you have not yet subscribed, I'm going to ask you now to subscribe. I do a lot of these kind of videos, sharing what I call the Real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. Right? A lot of persons come and watch and just go. I want you to watch and subscribe so you can get more of this kind of content. There's another video I need you to see, and that's a video I did about a fruit. I call it Grandadilla. It's I don't know if you know it. You know Grandadilla? It's a passion fruit family. Huge. Yes, it's huge. I want you to watch that video. There's a link in the description.
And it's got a tree.
You got a tree here?
Yeah, so over the bush.
Yeah, man, I did a video on it.
Miss
Marlene, the person, she was in South. She passed. I did a video with her, but she passed recently. May her soul rest in peace. I want you to see that video with her. There's a link in the description.
Rat for light up, you know.
For you?
Rat for light up, man. Rat, hey, I'll earn rat it up.
Oh, okay. Well, that's something good, you know.
Yeah, man.
That's something good. Rat for light up, that's something good. Okay.
Your ox will go left by tree. That is rat.
Okay, cool. But there's a link in the description to that video, guys. And it's in the card above. See you in that one.